teaching me to cruise your manual to Corolla. I'm gonna stall it 20 times on the shore and drive to Viroqua. Don't worry, I'm sure I can get it by Minnesota. Would it really be the end of the world to check out California? Girl, I'm looking to you. You drive away my blues.